have a lot of the lots. As you see, the lots along this area, some of the lots, part of it is in state land, part of it is in iTAUKEI land. So the exercise that we're doing now is to identify amongst these lots where is the boundary of what is state land and what is iTAUKEI land. You know, Schedule A, Schedule B, part of this land was land that was unclaimed, and land that has also become extinct. So that land was formerly all part of government. So the exercise now is reverted back to the iTAUKEI land. At the end of this exercise, we'll be able to clearly demarcate out of this area that's supposed to be reverted back to Schedule A and Schedule B, which part of it should be then handled by TLTB to collect the revenue for iTAUKEI, for the iTAUKEI landowners, and which part will be state land. That's the big exercise that we are doing now. There's a major need for this here in Nagigi, and we also understand there are a few other areas in Vanua Levu, including Labasa town, where this exercise has to be taken. In the past, it was Schedule A, Schedule B was treated as state land. But now with the government policy to revert it, we have to make sure we clearly define the boundaries between the land that is going to be reverted back as state A, as iTAUKEI land, and that will remain